Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn on how to do count, counter and count if blank in Excel. So for the count, it counts cells with numbers, and then for the counter, it counts cells with either numbers or text. So let's begin. So I'm going to use these two sets of data. This one is going to help us to understand on how to do counter and count. And then for this other type of data, it is going to help us to do count blank. So let's begin. So you have your cell, you click this cell here and then you put equal sign and then you type count. So we are going to start with count. So count, and the good thing about Excel, before you execute any formula, it's tell you what that formula does. So you click tab to activate. So we are going to count this cell, close the brackets and then enter. So let's say in case we have count, and then we select this other cell which has text only. What will happen? It counts 0 because I said that count counts the number of cells with numbers, with the numeric values. So if you do have a column where there is no numeric values, it is going to return 0, value of 0. So let's do the counter. So it's equal to, type the counter, tab key, and then we are going to select this, close the bracket, click enter. So you see that there is difference between count and then counter. Counter counts the cells with either text or numbers as values. So and then we need to do count blank. So we are going to type our formula here, count blank, tab, and then we are going to this column because this is where we have the blank cell 1. So we have only 1. So let's say that we say count blank, and then we select a column where we don't have a blank. See what happens. It will return a value of 0 because in this column we don't have any cell which is empty or which is blank. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more in knowledge and information and insight and ideas.